In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus using the easy steps provided. This service offers a range of benefits, and I'll walk you through the process to ensure a smooth upgrade experience. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to visit chat.openai.com. This is the homepage of ChatGPT, where you can access a variety of AI-driven conversational tools. Once you're on this page, the next step involves logging in with your OpenAI account. You have a choice of logging in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, or with a direct email login. Make sure to use the credentials associated with the account you want to upgrade. Next, let's head over to the upgrade page. When you're logged into the ChatGPT interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Upgrade to Plus. Click on this button, and it'll take you to the subscription options available for ChatGPT. Now that you've opened the subscription page, it's time to choose the ChatGPT Plus plan. You will see an option for a $20 a month plan, though do keep in mind that the pricing might vary slightly depending on your region. Once you've reviewed this, proceed by clicking Upgrade Plan, preparing to move to the payment section. The next step is to enter your payment details. Here, you'll input your credit or debit card information. ChatGPT Plus accepts a variety of payment types, including Visa, MasterCard, and Amex, providing a range of choices for your convenience. In some regions, PayPal might also be available as a payment method, giving you a bit more flexibility. Be sure to review all billing details for accuracy before you submit. Confirming these ensures there are no issues processing your upgrade. Once you've completed the payment, your account will instantly be upgraded to ChatGPT Plus. It's that simple. You'll know the upgrade is complete when you see ChatGPT Plus appear under your account name. From now on, you can enjoy all the benefits that come with ChatGPT Plus, like faster response speeds, priority access to new features, and the more advanced GPT-4 version with specialized GPT-4o and GPT-4o mini models where available, and that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully upgraded to ChatGPT Plus, enhancing your experience with quicker responses and the latest advancements in AI technology. Enjoy your new subscription and make the most out of the enhanced AI interactions that ChatGPT Plus has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting with ChatGPT.